Hi guys, welcome back to Mathy Goodness. Today we're talking subtraction strategies. Alright, so this is the first in our video of subtraction strategies, and we're going to really talk about the very beginning basics in this video. So this is your pre-K to first grade level. When we start with subtraction, we're always going to go back to the concrete model. So you can see that students really need to put their hands on objects and understand them. In the classroom, you'll see them using counting chips or colored cubes, things like that, to really model what subtraction means. And then they'll move to a more representational model, which would be walking down the number line. When students walk down that number line or take away on the number line, they start to realize that when you subtract, your difference gets smaller. So you're starting with a large number, you're taking away something, and you're ending up with less than what you had before. Concepts of more and less, as we talked about in our number sense video, really play a part here. So if your child is struggling at that kindergarten, first grade level with subtraction, let's back it down and talk about, do we understand what more is and what less is? Using different language before and after, greater, fewer, things like that can really trip up kids that you thought they understood and maybe just a language. Another key point with subtraction is understanding that subtraction also means comparison. So I might tell how many more or how many less something has, and that is always a subtraction question. Children in first grade attempt this by looking at graphs and other data sets, but you can also see this as one is so many fewer than another, and really putting those physical, concrete things in their hands so they can line them up and compare. Later on, we're going to use the idea of a difference between two numbers or the space between two numbers to develop some very sophisticated strategies. So it's really important that we lay the groundwork for these strategies by understanding that subtraction can mean how far apart numbers are. That's it today for our very basics of subtraction. We'll see you next time when we talk some more subtraction strategies.